That's right. Tell me when you're ready.
Good.
Okay. It's capo on 7, and we're going to be based out of G, and it's going to be the thumb on the E string, the pointer finger on the G string, and the ring finger on the B string. And the thumb is going to go, for your chords are going to be G, C2, and D. The thumb is going to move on the G to E, on the C2 to A, and on the D to the D string. The pattern is the same for all of them. It's a 2-part pattern. It's going to be E, G, B, G, B. That's the first part. Then the second part of that is going to be leave out the B and just double the G. Just like that. So you put those two together. Alright, so start singing the song in your head. It's going to be a G, 1 G, 1 C2, then 2 Gs. It's really going to be 3, but you need to see it as 2 Gs because then the phrase starts over. So it's like 1. I can see clearly now, rain is gone. That's your 2. Now start over. I can see all obstacles. Now D twice. Back to G. Now you're going to the F, good old 3-note F chord. You're going to go and just move these 2 up. It's the same picking pattern. I'm just starting on the D string. Then just going to C, starting on the A string. Then right back. Sorry. Double that again. It's gonna be right there. Then you're back to that G. Now, weird part. D. For now, let's just do the same picking pattern. D over F sharp, which means my thumb's gonna go up to here on the E string, up to here. Then I'm going to C. Thumb goes down to the A. And I'm doing 1 time on the C. Then I'm going to slide up 1 fret with the ring finger to the 4th fret, and I'm going to bar that A string down. I mean the A chord down, 2nd fret. Come right back. E minor, which is I'm going to get E in the bass. Which technically for this chord you just do like this. You're not playing anything that you're actually pressing, but it's E minor. Then you're back to D. And it's the
The next part.
Yeah.